Hello there again, it's Jock here from Scotland. Now there's no night could be complete without a wee bit of music of one of the most famous women in Scotland. One of the best singers and poet I've heard in for a long time. And she comes from Perthshire and her name's Belle Stewart, and I'm quite sure everybody's heard her. And if you've no heard her, well, you're going to hear fair now, and I'd like you to enjoy it. And this is the sort of music that should be played if you're having a wee hame time, Kaylee, just for yourself and a few friends, listening to the old songs, and then that way they never disappear. So here we go. Just sit back and listen to Belle.
New as I roll down to one summer's morn, among lofty hills, moorland and mountain, it was there I spied a lovely maid, whilst I with others was out a-hunting. No shoes nor stockings did she wear, neither had she hat nor had she feather, but her golden locks in ringlets rare, in the gentle breeze played around her shoulder. Oh, say to bra lassie, why roam your lane? Why roam your lane among the heather? Oh, she says my feather is off him, and I'm herding all his ewes together. I say to bra lassie, if you'll be mine, and care to lie on a bed of feathers, in silks and satin, it's you'll shine, and you'll be my queen among the heather. But she said, kind sir, your offer is good, but I'm afraid it was meant for a lavater, for I know you are some rich squire's son, and I'm a poor lame shepherd's daughter. But had ye been a shepherd loon, a herding the ewes in yonder valley, or had ye been a pluming son, we all my heritage would elude ye. Now I hae been to balls, and I hae been to halls, I have been in London and Balwhadal, but the bonniest lassie that ever I did see, she was herding the ewes among the heather. So we baith sat down upon the plain, we sat a while and we talked together, and we left the ewes for to stray their lane, till I wooed my queen among the heather.
Aye, Belle, that was bro.
Here's a health to all true lovers, and here's to mine wherever she may be. This very night I will go and see her, although she is many a long mile from me. Let the night be dark as the very dungeon, let not a star shine from above. Still I will be guided, oh, safely guided into
Ja, a wee problem there.
the arms of my own Lord. He then approached her bedroom window. His knee he placed on a cold damp stone. Through the panes of glass he softly whispered, my darling maid, do you sleep alone? She raised her head from her soft white pillow. Her hand she placed on her lily white breast. Through the panes of glass she softly answered, who is this that disturbs my quiet night's rest? 'Tis only I, my darling lover. Open the door, love, and let me in, for I am tired of this long night journey, and besides I am drenched to the very skin. She opened the door with the greatest of pleasure. She opened the door and he walked in. They both embraced and they kissed each other, till the dawning of day it came creeping in. The cocks are crowing, love, I must be going. The cocks are crowing, love, I must away. The cocks are crowing, love, I must be going. For we are but servants, and I must obey.
Well, that was fine, that. I enjoyed that. I'm quite sure you enjoyed it yourself. That was Belle Stewart singing there. Oh, bra singer. And she's a national woman in Scotland, I would say. Well, that's nearly the 9 or 10 minutes up, you know. It's no long in going when you're enjoying yourself. Well, I'll have all the new and I'll see what else I can find with Belle on it, because I fair enjoy listening to Belle Stewart. So, I'll bid you farewell. Take care of yourself, and have a nice weekend. Tooraloo.